Good morning, coaches. Spartan, just sa Pilipinas. My name is Earl Marvin Mendoza here in Dubai. I'm so grateful to be part of this family, and I'm so grateful that I have given a chance to share my life and experience and also success. And actually, hindi ko magagawa lahat ito kung wala po kayo dyan at sa full support nyo ng community. Actually, I'm so grateful talaga kay God na everything, lahat talaga into details, lahat sunod-sunod yung mga blessings na binigay niya sa akin. First of all, that I lose my weight. It's actually a good and awesome, it's a big answer prayer para sa akin yun. Tapos lahat nagsunod-sunod. Actually talaga yung title lang, yung kantang kinakanta ko lagi is This Is The Moment. Kasi yun talaga yung moment ko to shine. And even before I get the new job, tapos ngayon, kinanta ko ulit siya after during my program, during the program of 90 days sa Spartan. Tapos nung sunod-sunod, tapos nakakuha na ako ng panibagong trabaho after 7 years. Kumbaga grateful lang talaga ako. Kumbaga I could say to myself yung attitude and qualities na na-contribute ko sa success is yung siguro meron din akong positive attitude na kahit paano na although nahihirapan pero sumusugod pa rin. Sumusugod in a sense na tumatayo pa rin. Talagang pilit na lumalaban, pilit na natututo. Kahit na minsan talaga challenging talaga yung I know that lahat po tayo sa business or being coaches also napapagdaanan natin to. But somehow kasi kung hindi tayo kikilos, kung hindi tayo babangon at iiyak lang tayo sa tabi, wala pong mangyayari sa atin. So siguro yun nga, pagkakaroon ng I also put what I've learned, I put into practice, and somehow talagang I do my best to ask questions and kung ano mga bago sa pandinig ko, and somehow talagang I also love seeing people, yung makita ko yung smile sa mga tao. It's actually also malaking gantimpala na para sa akin yun. And yung mga challenges like siguro hindi naman po madali talaga financially yung una. Pero somehow nakita ko talagang yung community, nakita ko yung support, at saka nakita ko rin yung lahat-lahat kagandahan ng program. I was really fall in love sa program, sa community. And of course, I cannot manage alone without God. Natuto ko lalo lumapit sa Kanya, nagpray ako. Kasi kung hindi ko rin ito makakaya talaga, I don't have a strength or anything kung wala siya. And also, siguro rin kung nagmatigas ako, kung hindi ako nakinig, siguro wala akong sa posisyon ko. Siguro mas mataba pa ako ngayon. Siguro I wasted a lot of money kung hindi ako naging part of ng Spartan o ng family ng New Skin. And I'm so grateful na kahit paano na by God's grace, until now executive pa rin ako, and I'm so grateful for that. And thank you so much for sa mga payo nila mga coaches. And also na-overcome ko siguro yung challenges yun nga dahil sa pagdadasal, dahil siguro sa pagtitiwala kay God, sa pagtitiwala rin sa mga coaches, sa aking upline, kay Coach Mars, sa lahat-lahat dyan. And also I'm so grateful to kila Coach Carol, kila Coach Cheryl, kasi actually they are the one who lalo na si Cheryl kasi lagi siya consistent siya mag-invite sa akin before, but because she's also concerned to my health and also my weight. And secondary at si Coach Carol na talagang she never say no, talagang she always there to help, she always there to drop us, and also to give us more inputs and knowledge. And ganoon din po si Coach Mars, kasi kahit nasa Pilipinas siya, talagang she really do her best to connect with us through Skype, SMS, not SMS, sa Facebook. And also when I was there in the Philippines, talagang full support din siya. And actually my next goal for this year is of course sino bang hindi Sino bang hindi may gusto? Gusto ko maging Ruby. But somehow, nakikita ko ang sarili ko na talagang mapopromote pa ako from executive to the top this year. And actually, to go to Singapore to see, I would like to see you there all. And also just sa Pilipinas. And message ko lang po is talagang try to move on kung ano man po mga balakid o problema na dumadating sa buhay nyo. But always don't forget to pray and don't always forget to ask strength from God. Kasi no matter how we are strong, but then in the end, makikita pa rin natin God will humble us in the situation that we cannot do it alone. That we are all weak without Him. And of course, I would like to share also na just keep on doing ang pinakamagandang success talaga when you see people smile because you have done good to them. But also the good thing is you don't expect anything in returns. Kasi kumbaga parang daig pa yung nanalo ka ng ng 1 milyon. Kumbaga daig pa yung pinanakukuha natin once we see yung smile sa ibang tao. And also let's put ourselves into their shoes. Maramdaman natin kung ano mga nararamdaman nila, ang mga nadanasan nila before. Tapos siguro help them, yun nga, build them up. Saka yung sinasabi ni coach na die to make kung kailangan mamatay. In a sense, mamatay ka ng masaya, healthy at nakakatulong ka. But somehow always keep smiling and always don't stay healthy and also keep up the good work. Love you all. See you there.